So in this video on marketing list functionality within Microsoft Dynamics for Sales, we're just going to cover off a means of evaluating the data that's in your marketing list and just allowing you to check it's the data you're expecting. Now, this is one in a series of videos we've done on the marketing list functionality. You can see links to other videos in the series below. Also, if you've got any content suggestions or indeed you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. So if we go to the system, and I'll just show you the issue that you have. I'm in the marketing list area at the moment. If I select one of these, so let's select test 7 for example, I can open that up. If I go and look at the members area, i.e. who is contained in this list, and this one's a contact list, it could also be a list of accounts, or it could be a list of leads. If I now go to members, you'll see that's the membership of that group, and I can see that we've got 4 columns displayed here: full name, company name, business phone, status. Now, particularly if I've run quite a complex query or series of queries to bring back this membership, those may not be the fields that I need to be able to evaluate that I've got the right people on that list. I don't have any flexibility to add fields within this view. This is an admin control view. Don't get me wrong, the admin can change this, but it's going to be a standard set of fields that might not be what you need when you're evaluating the membership of a group. Now, the way I would suggest you work around that is to create an advanced find and save it, and I normally call it the marketing list analyzer. So let me show you how you do that. You can go to advanced find here. It says search for the table you want to search on. So I'm going to go on to contacts, select that. It's going to now allow me to build up an advanced find. If my default view had been something with some existing filters, like active contacts or something like that, it will bring that in. You just need to delete all filters when you do that. It doesn't delete them permanently, it just allows you to start from a blank canvas. And what we're going to do, very simply, is we'll click add here, and we're going to add a related entity. And now it's asked me to specify the related entity, and I'm going to pick marketing list, and we need to scroll right to the bottom because this is in the many to many area, which is contained at the bottom of the list of potential record types that I can search. And I'll select marketing lists, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select, if I can see it, the marketing list itself. I'm going to keep the operator as equals, and then I'm going to select test 7. So effectively I'm saying give me the list of contacts on marketing list test 7. I'm just going to apply that, and now it's come back with these fields, but I've now got the flexibility to change that, and I can do that by going to the edit columns area. And let's say I wanted to add, let's say do not allow bulk emails. So you just want to check they're not set to do not allow. And let's just clear that. And then I'm going to have a look at preferred method of contact as well. And close that. So it's added those two to it. So I've now got my means of starting to analyze based on whatever data I choose I want to analyze it by. I can further extend that if I want to. Sorry, I didn't want to go there. I can further extend that by just adding further columns. I can do that off related records. So obviously we've got some data that was held on the contact record, but I could do that based on data held on the related account record. i.e. the company they work for. So if I just click on that, the related tab, select company name, account, and I might want to put in, let's say, I don't know, let's put an annual revenue, for example, if we can spot that. Annual revenue. Close that. Didn't want categories, so we can remove that. I didn't want business types, so we can remove that. And then I can move these around if I want to. If I want to change the sequence where they appear in that list, apply that. So I've now got the basics of my marketing list analyzer. So I can build that list up to have whatever columns I want, as long as they're on that record or on a related parent record. And then what I can do is save that for future use. So if I go to this now and click the down arrow, navigate to the bottom and save as a new view, and we're going to call that marketing list analyzer. Not quite sure why I've done it in all caps, but we'll go with it. Save that. And then within my list of views, I've got the marketing list analyzer. So if I want to go and analyze a list at any stage, I've got that in my personal views. Now, obviously, we've saved it for specifically test 7, but all I need to do is go to that, change the value to something different. For example, let's say test 4, don't know what's going to be on test 4, and just bring that back. And so it's quick and easy to change. So it's a lot easier to use the advanced find functionalities to save a view, which you keep to hand as one of your saved views. Anytime you need to look at a marketing list, you've got that flexibility to look at it and customize the columns that you want in order to assess that particular list. It means you've got more chance of detecting potential errors or issues or something that you've missed when you built a marketing list. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful. I say this is one in a series of videos we've done on the marketing list functionality in Microsoft Dynamics for Sales. You can see links to those videos below. Or if you've got any suggested content or you need any help with Microsoft Dynamics, please see the links below. Anyway, thank you very much for your time. Hopefully see you again soon.